Welcome to the Wajiha's Learning Academy. Today we are going to discuss political leadership. Firstly, we have a content, definition of leadership, definition of political leadership, types of leaders, qualities of leadership. Leadership is the art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal. Devotion, honesty, understanding, and energy are the key leadership qualities for effectiveness of political system. Leadership in the developing states or the developing countries, politics more revolves around the personalities instead of principles. The political system in the developing countries could not develop due to the feudal lords, industrial class, and the military bureaucracy. These factors remained in power for a longer period of time. Political leadership refers to the political system by giving significance to the values and organization for attaining desired objectives. Types of leadership. Colonial leadership pertains on leader of foreign power. Traditional leaderships involves the feudal lords. Nationalist leadership talk about own nation and revolutionary leadership. Economic-oriented leadership emphasis on economic progress. Types of leadership. Charismatic leadership comprises of extraordinary skills and qualities of personalities. For example, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Traditional leadership develops in society, is influenced by the customs and traditions, and is available in the shape of monarchy. Constitutional leadership involves in remaining within the law of land. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was example of such type of leadership who struggled and achieved objectives within limits of law. Types of leaders. Autocratic leaders. Style is centered on the boss. In this leadership, the leader holds all authority and responsibility. In this leadership, leaders make decisions on their own without consulting subordinates. They reach decisions, communicate them to subordinates, and expect quick implementation. Autocratic work environment does normally have little or no flexibility. Democratic leadership. In this leadership style, subordinates are involved in making decisions. Unlike autocratic, this headship is centered on subordinates' contribution. The democratic leader holds the final responsibility, but he or she is known to delegate authority to other people who determine work projects. The most unique feature of this leadership is that communication is active, upward and downward. Laissez-faire leaders. Laissez-faire leaders gives authority to employees, departments, or subordinates are involved to work as they choose with minimal or no interference. This style has been consistently found to be the least satisfying and least effective management style. People-oriented leaders. Now we are come to the types of leaders. First one is people-oriented leaders, focused on the welfare and well-being of their people. They provide freedom for members' participation in the group activities and show concern for the followers' comfort and welfare, which is necessary for the group coordination. Objective-oriented leadership, they focus on work and work in highly efficiency for the political system. They emphasize on planning, scheduling of the work. They increase group unity in the work, which is ambiguous. Now we have come to the leadership qualities: intelligent, honest, creative, confident, driven, and courageous. Qualities of charismatic leadership. They are the some most prominent characteristic of charismatic leadership. Charismatic leadership have extraordinary skills in communication. The leaders are equally comfortable communicating one-to-one or in the group setting. Though they have a very powerful personality, and charismatic leaders have also maturity and character. They behave in a mature and the responsible manner on all occasions. Charismatic leaders have a sense of humility, or they have a very good sense of humor. They place a lot of values on each employee and have the ability to truly listen to their concerns. They inspire great loyalty from their employees. Successful charismatic leaders are also compassionate. Kindness, integrity, honesty, and courage are also qualities that success